G'day everyone, welcome to Dave's Driven. Well, I've only gone and done it. Snapped one of the bolts for the rocker cover. I know, I didn't have a torque wrench. I looked up, waved at a neighbour to say hello. All on me. So this is one of the full ones I've taken out just to show you. There's about that much for us to get the snapped one out. We're going to try this with some pliers, some home hacks, but I got the feeling we're going to need to get one of those screw extractor kits. Let's check it out. This is the bad boy here, snapped, and I've only got a little bit at the bottom that I can grab onto. So I'm going to get some pliers into there and see how close we can get. This ain't happening. See this? No. We're gonna have to do this legit. Rocker cover off. I'm going to attempt to screw these back up out. One extracted. Holy dooly. I didn't think that was going to work. That first one, that went surprisingly well. Very happy with it. Second one, not so much. So, picked up screw extractor kit, set. I'm going to give that a go now. I'm going to show you how to do it. Or I'm going to show you how to mess it up. Look, it's 50-50 with my channel. You know this. 3mm drill bit here. Right in the middle, so this here can grab. Relieved. Alright, that's done. All the bolts are out, new ones in, no dramas. Main things I learned were you really need to drill the bolt out a lot further than I thought I was going to have to in order to get the extractor to bite, and also chuck the extractor on an impact driver or on a drill. Don't be shy with that thing, man. Just ram it in there, fling it hard, and it just pops right out. That's what happened to me. It may not happen for you that way, but definitely my experience. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I hope this helps somebody out there, and see you next time.